If you're irritated by every rub, how will your mirror be polished? Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. Travel brings power and love back into your life. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes, because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Two there are who are never satisfied, the lover of the world and the lover of knowledge. You think because you understand one, you must also understand two, because one and one makes two. But you must also understand and. You're not a drop in the ocean, you're the entire ocean in a drop. What hurts you blesses you, darkness is your candle. I didn't come here of my own accord, and I can't leave that way. Study me as much as you like, you will not know me, for I differ in 100 ways from what you see me to be. Put yourself behind my eyes and see me as I see myself, for I have chosen to dwell in a place you cannot see. The moon stays bright when it doesn't avoid the night. You were born with wings, why prefer to crawl through life? I know you're tired, but come, this is the way. Run from what's comfortable, forget safety, live where you fear to live, destroy your reputation, be notorious. I have tried prudent planning long enough. From now on, I'll be mad. Suffering is a gift, in it is hidden mercy. These pains you feel are messengers, listen to them. When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you a joy. Where there's room, there's hope for a treasure. Let yourself be drawn by the stronger pull of that which you truly love. When you go through a hard period, when everything seems to oppose you, when you feel you cannot even bear one more minute, never give up, because it is the time and place that the course will divert. Knock and he will open the door. Vanish and he'll make you shine like the sun. Fall and he will raise you to the heavens. Become nothing and he will return you into everything. This being human is a great house. Every morning is a new arrival, a joy, a depression, a meanness. Some momentary awareness comes as an unexpected visitor. Welcome and entertain them all. Treat each guest honorably. The dark thought, the shame, the malice. Meet them at the door, laughing, and invite them in. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each one has been sent as a guide from beyond.